Now, when you look right here on my screen, you can basically see that this particular token went from this particular price at $0.02 and rose up to $0.09. This is practically this token doing about 4x. And this basically means that if you bought this token at $0.02, you've actually made about 4x the amount you invested on here. Meaning also that if you actually invested with about $1,000, then you'd have actually gotten about $4,000 from this particular token. And this is exactly how you can actually get to make money with this particular method here in crypto, because right here in this particular video today, I want to share with you guys how I'm going to be making about over $5,000 from the DOGS token that will be launched and listed very soon. Now, what you want to do right now is to stay back and listen to everything I'm going to say in this particular video today, because I'm not going to be giving any investment advice. I'm not a financial investor, but then I'm going to be following a series of patterns that I've actually seen in the past and see how much we can actually get to predict and also tap into what might actually come in the future to make the most profits from ourselves. You see, data does not lie and trends do not also lie. There's a very huge potential that what has actually been happening and recurring would also show up even in this time. And this is why you actually want to listen right back to me all through this video and see how you can actually make the most for yourself. So that instead of you waiting for the airdrops from the tokens and all, you can also see another avenue to make even more thousands of dollars in this very space. Now, when you come over here to the DOGS community, you can already see that they said that the claim to exchanges and Telegram wallets will remain open until 4 p.m. UTC on 23rd of August, meaning that if you've not claimed your token, then basically, seeing this video already as at this time, you cannot claim anymore. Right? The second one here is it says claim to non-custodial wallets will be available from 8 a.m. UTC on the 26th of August, right? And here, the TGE and listing will take place on 12 p.m. UTC on the 26th of August, right? So for those of you guys that have the previous date of 20th or 23rd, you are actually way behind. This is the more updated information you need to carry on. But then when we actually check and we're like, oh, why did they move this to 26th? You're going to note that the International Dogs Day is on the 26th of August, and most probably the dogs community want to actually get to launch their token on the International Dogs Day, which is the 26th of August. Okay, but when you come over and we are doing a quick search based on the pre-market value we've been seeing so far, for example, on 𝗔, you can see the pre-market value here. The last price was actually at about $0.02, right? You actually get to see that, let's say the launch price or the listing price might actually be a little bit lower than the pre-market price. And this might actually be we having, let's say, about $0.011 or something around that particular range. But let us also consider a couple of other factors, which is what really gets to give a particular token in crypto as much value or even more value than it's already had. And that is the community. You see, the community and the trend and the whole buzz on social media actually gives a lot of crypto meme tokens their rise in value. And this is a true thing. Take a look at 𝗔 when they launched their token. They had a community of over 10 million subscribers. And with these 10 million subscribers, that number already pushed them through social media, and the value of their token actually skyrocketed, right? The second one was they actually were launching on several centralized exchanges. Now, beyond the subscribers you have, even these centralized exchanges also have their own community as well. So it's you also bringing your community and merging with the centralized exchange community, and the two forces will actually, get to explode the value of your token. And this is exactly how it's going to work, even with the DOGS token. Because when you come over here on Telegram, you can see that the DOGS community actually have even more than what these other guys had. They have about 16 million subscribers here on their Telegram community. They also have on Twitter, they have on YouTube, they have on several other spaces. And they're going to be listing on 5 exchanges: on Bybit, on Binance, on OKX, on Gates.io, and also on BitGet, right? So these 5 centralized exchanges that have actually confirmed that they're going to be listing on might also be another huge boost to the value of this particular token. And let's take, for example, I'm actually seeing where this particular DOGS token might actually do a very quick 5x, 7x on the listing date. That basically means that all I'm going to simply do is to get to buy this particular DOX token immediately on launch, right? I'm going to buy it immediately on launch. Yes, at that very point where they just listed, I'm going to buy this token, okay? Beyond the token you're going to be getting from the Telegram bot and all, I'm going to buy this particular token on the listing date, right? And the coolest thing here is the fact that, let's take for example, I'm actually going to buy this particular token with $1,000, right? And on buying this particular token with $1,000, I would actually get this 5x, 7x return. And if I'm getting 5x, that means my $1,000 is going to be $5,000, right? I'm just going to pull out my funds. And this is very important that you actually do, but I'm going to discuss it later. And I'll show you proof to what I'm saying here. Okay, so when you come over here, you would see that this particular token here went from 0.02 and it rose up to $0.09, right? But then when you also get to check on, you can see within the next 24 hours, 48 hours, it was still doing well, but it was already coming down, and it was still going down and going down. And people were now seeing about, let's say, 2x and all, if you had actually, jumped in as at the very start. Okay, but over the week it kept on going down and down and down, and it started seeing a couple more lower trend than it had even started. So at this particular point you're already making a loss. Okay, and this is why I'm actually going to be saying that if you are going to be jumping on several meme tokens like this, you jump in and you jump out within 24 or 48 hours. It shouldn't get beyond 48 hours, right? Please note that this is not a financial advice. No, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm just sharing with you guys what I actually feel is going to be of this, right? When you also check out a couple of other meme coins and meme tokens that were launched, all those Solana meme coins, this is exactly how they are. Right, you come in and within the first 24-hour balls and all, 48 hours and all, you just want to pull out ASAP, else your money will get synced in on that particular project. Okay, how can you actually purchase this particular token on launch? So we already have a date. It's going to be launched on the 26th, right? One of the things you actually want to do is to get some USDT. Yes, get some USDT right inside of your account and keep it. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing with you guys a link on where you can actually get your USDT. Just go over to PAL Exchange, palexchange.com. Right, when you go over to palexchange.com, I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys down in the description of this particular video, so you can easily access palexchange.com. And once you access palexchange.com, you can actually get to make a request. They will redirect you to their WhatsApp, where you can easily just say, oh, I want to make purchase for USDT. And palexchange.com basically is where you can either buy or sell your USDT and other cryptocurrency coins. And it's very important that you actually note this one. For those of you that will be like, oh, Franklin, can you actually share with me a trusted, a crypto trader, somebody I can actually buy and sell my crypto from? I'm actually recommending somebody right now to you guys. Okay, so you can just simply go ahead and request for them on WhatsApp. I want to buy $200 worth of USDT. They're going to tell you the exact current rate for that particular day. And within 5 minutes, you're going to be getting your USDT inside of your wallet, right? Basically, they're going to be requesting, for example, they're like, okay, you should get your USDT TRC20, address. And yeah, let's say you come over here, you're like, okay, for deposit, click on deposit on here. And when you click on deposit, you will see here, just come and select USDT. You can also do this on your mobile phone in case you're using your app, and select the chain TRC20. Right, if they say you should actually bring your USDT BEP20, you can just select BEP20. If they say bring your ERC20, you bring your ERC20, but most probably it's going to be your TRC20, right? And here you can actually see on this particular space, you would acknowledge here, and this is the address you're going to copy. Please copy and paste, guys. Copy and paste. It is very easy to actually lose money in crypto. Your money is going to go into the abyss, but when you copy and paste, it is going to be easier for nobody to make any single mistake. So just copy this, copy and paste. I'm holding my ears down right now because you don't want to make stupid, silly mistakes and then your money is gone. Okay, so you just copy this and you paste it in, right? Paste it inside of the WhatsApp DM where you're having the conversation. Okay, and once you have done that, That is all. Just hold on for 5 minutes and all, and you are going to receive the amount of USDT that you made purchase for. Remember that you'll be paying Naira first, though. You have to pay Naira first to the company, right? And on paying Naira first to the company, they will now send the USDT over to you. Okay, very good. You understand this so that you don't make silly mistakes that would actually wipe your funds away. Okay, very, very important. All right, so once you've been able to do this, another thing you can actually do is this is going to get you USDT in your account, which you can store, and on the listing date you can get to purchase, DOGS token as quick as possible, or you can also get USDT by doing P2P trading on Bybit. This is P2P trading on Bybit. I already, shared with you guys, the step-by-step process on how you can do P2P trading. But then a couple of people have actually complained to me that some people that actually do P2P, because they are not trusted and all, some don't actually get good response. Some people are scammed and all of those things. I'm actually someone that has never been scammed via P2P. I don't know why. Maybe because I actually, try to make sure that I look out for the best set of people on here, right? But then I'm not saying I'm actually the best person, and this is why I've actually recommended somebody that most probably will give you the best services on this particular platform. Okay, so once you already have this USDT stored in your account, what you want to do next is just to hold on for the time when you are going to be able to now start up the listing. That's on the 26th, as at the time that they've shared, as you can see on here, 12 p.m. 26th. Now note that 12 p.m. UTC is actually 1 hour ahead, so let's say it's going to be like 1 p.m. so let's say 12 p.m. UTC in Nigerian time. Okay, so it's going to be 26th of August, 1 p.m. on the 26th of August. Note that. So immediately it's up, you can go ahead and make purchase for this token, and then you can wait for a 24-hour run, right? And then pull out your funds. You can actually do about 5x, 7x on every of these meme coins for yourself. And that's it, guys. I really hope that, you can follow through with this if you can, right? Do not invest more than you can afford to lose, because crypto is very, very risky, right? So please invest what you can afford to lose. And this is a good way to actually get started with this on here. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and most importantly, you can also join my community for more information, more insights on how to actually scale your crypto journey and earn more money in the space. Okay, thanks so much, guys, for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.